Improvement and lifestyle expert Kathryn Emery is here to share her tips on protecting, cleaning, and organizing your home this season. Please help me. Please help me.
I'm here, girl. I'm here for you.
We were just talking about, like, just tell me what to buy. Don't make me go research. Don't make me go look. Just tell me what to get.
Done. So I run around trade shows in Vegas, as a matter of fact. So I have some cool things. So number one, let's talk about water damage.
Please.
Because that's the #1 homeowner's insurance claim. So you want to be protected indoor and out.
Okay.
So this is Quick Down. I found this actually at National Hardware Show. It's basically a bunch of flood protection indoor and out. So what it swells and gels as water hits it. So look, this is their indoor leak kit. So just grab this from me or just look at this. This is just a mat that you can clean up with. This is the equivalent of 1.5 rolls of paper towel.
And this is what it will absorb.
So the gel actually makes it stay in. So as you can see on the table here, this is for like around like your toilet or a water heater. Then they also have the outdoor. So if you see that water coming, it swells up to 3.5 inches. Anywhere from 4 to 13 gallons. They have 5-inch. They have up to 17 feet. I'm sorry, 5 feet up to 17 feet.
This is great. And something more, you know, I guess better in aesthetic than sandbags or anything like that.
Well, sandbags too, when you need them. You can't get them because everybody else is buying them.
There you go.
This is just a little package you put on the shelf. You're good to go.
I like it. I like
you're
it.
keeping your home safe. All right, now let's talk about getting organized.
Please.
Do you use a rope? Do you use a bungee? Do you use a ratchet? Right? Yeah, a ratchet like ties it all down. You might. So this is called Twisted Goat. This does everything. So think about, what do you want to do? You want to wrap up your cords? So do you want to wrap up, you know, put your cooler on the back of the truck? If you're a professional contractor, a bunch of lumber. So it's 3 braided wires basically inside. Then there's a nylon, a non-slip nylon over it. It can hold up to 500 pounds.
I'm looking at the video right now.
You can hang like hammocks. Look at all the different sizes. So you have the, I believe you have the 6 foot, and then this is the 10 foot. But isn't it just so smart? You just have these in. I say this is it, the goat, the greatest of all time, the Twisted Goat. Oh, and it won Popular Mechanics Gear of the Year.
This is
so amazing. All right, now I hate to tell you, but I got a job for you. Everybody needs to clean their floors, right? But we want to do it quickly, more efficiently, affordably. So this is the Click and Clean.
I love that we're maximizing, but we're simplifying.
100%. So this is from Rejuvenate. So grab that. So number one, it's got this microfiber pad down there, which basically scrubs for you. Because microfiber is a magnet. It like attracts the dust. So spray it, and then the nice thing is,
this is already fun.
Isn't it fun, right? It's easy to move around. You can click in, it can clean tile, it can clean laminate, it can clean vinyl. Here, you get a little spot there, you can flip it. There's a scrubbing pad for you too. Yes, see, you're a pro. You're hired. By the way, your floors needed this, so they're really loving us.
Yeah, we're actually cleaning the floors right now.
And I love that it's affordable. It cleans, they're saying it cleans 75% better than anything out there.
That's great. This is great.
Isn't that great? So easy to do. And when you're done,
I'm not sure if you said any surfaces.
Any surface, any floor. Yeah, I mean, I even use it on my shower walls too. Like you can put it up there because you get the, you just can.
Can you kind of, you know, the fans and things of that nature?
Yeah, you could. Yeah, absolutely. You want to click in, and there's all different kind of cleaners. When it's empty, you just flick it in there. Hence the Click and Clean name. But isn't that so smart? And it's affordable. I like that you can throw this microfiber pad in the wash and use it over and over again.
That was my next question.
Yeah,
yes. How do we keep this clean?
You're saving some money.
Wow.
You're getting it done. And you're welcome, studio, because now the floors. I'm gonna need to donate this.
We need you. You're hired, girl. I know I'm hired, but you're hired.
Let's get organized and be protected.
You've been doing this for over 20 years. Where can people keep up with you and all your tips?
They should go to BeTheBestHome.com.
Okay.